Hello guys, good morning. Well, today I will continue the previous chapter number 11, motion and measurement. So, we have done already some topics, we have explained, but last time we had done motion and their types. I think we have done types of motion. So we have seen that there are different types of motion, like translational motion, rotational motion, periodic motion, and non-periodic. So today we will try to know about rotational. Okay, rotational motion. What is rotational motion? So you can see here, when an object rotates about an axis axis means in a circle about a single line. You can say in a circle about a single line in a given interval of time. Okay, its motion is called rotational motion. That means we can say if every object, every particle in the body moves in a circle about a single line, is called rotational motion, and the single line is called axis. Example of rotational motion: the rotating blades of a ceiling fan. Have you seen that? And other example of rotational motion is blades of a windmill. Here you have given, this is blades of a windmill. So the blades of a windmill rotates in a circular path in a single circular line, is called rotational motion. Okay, next example is a spinning wheel and giant Ferris wheel. Okay, now we go for another types of motion, means periodic motion. The motion of an object that is repeated at regular intervals of time. Is called periodic motion. Periodic motion is the motion in which the object moves or repeat itself in a fixed interval of time. Like Earth moves itself in fixed time. Earth moves itself in fixed time, that is 24 hours. As you know that the earth moves itself in the fixed time, that means 24 hours. So we can say the revolution of earth around the sun and the movement of a pendulum, of a clock, are examples of periodic motion. Here pendulum, you can see that pendulum of a clock moves itself in the fixed time. Here 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it repeats itself in a fixed interval of time. Clear? Periodic motion in which an object moves to and fro. To and fro means you can say swinging. Okay, to and fro about its equilibrium position in a steady manner is called oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion means when an object moves to and fro. To and fro. For example, the pendulum of a clock shows oscillatory motion. Pendulum shows oscillatory motion. Next, we will discuss about non-periodic motion. First one is periodic and second one is non-periodic. Non-periodic means when the motion of an object is not repeated at regular intervals of time. Means non-periodic motion is the motion in which can't repeat itself in a fixed interval of time. Example, a footballer running on a field. Means footballer does not show the interval of time and can't repeat itself in a fixed interval of time. The flapping of a bird's wings is another example of non-periodic. Okay. Now, next we will see types of motion in everyday life. In our day-to-day life, objects around us show one type of motion or the other. Means there are different types of motion we can see in our daily life. The flashing light of an ambulance. The flashing light of an ambulance shows rotational motion. Grazing cows moving their tails shows non-periodic. Non-periodic means it can't repeat itself in a fixed interval of time. The vibration of strings of musical instrument when plucked is vibratory motion. Some objects exhibit two types of motion at the same time. The planets revolving around the sun shows periodic and rotational. The planets revolving around the sun shows periodic as well as rotational motion. So we can say some objects exhibit two types of motion at the same time. Clear? So guys, I hope you would not have any problems after reading this. And hopefully you will understand well this shift spec. And please write down all difficult words in your notebook, and next day we will do question answer of this chapter. Okay, you can read these points overview. It helps you find their answer. Okay, you can do question number A, multiple choice questions. Fill in the blanks and true false. Okay, this is your homework. Keep it in your homework, and please do it timely and send me your images. Okay, thank you.